Alright, it's about 20 minutes after that last video was just taken. I just painted the hood 2 coats. Now letting it dry overnight plus tomorrow through work. So let that dry. So that's all in that. So that's the last piece we painted on the Jeep. iPhones don't have wide angles, but that's alright. So what's left on the Jeep? I have windshield wipers, the blades to put on. These motors are working. We're figuring out if they are single speed or double speed. We're not sure. They're coming down. I want to add a plug here, so I want to take the windshield off if I ever need to. It's easy. And then it comes down about down here. I have a on and off switch for it. Dashing's painted. It doesn't match. The interior, I'll leave it alone. It's gonna get beaten up from walking in inside out, plus hauling gear, so that's okay. And I got my glove box door. That needs a key. So when my car shows, I can lock it up and get my insurance and stuff all saved and inside. My heater, it's hooked up, it works, but not the switch. My heater switch does not work, so need to get that fixed. I have a rear view mirror to install. So this box, that's all my parts left. Driver seat belt, grab handles for the side of the Jeep for like a military style. That's about it for that inside. Spare tire holder. I am trying to figure out a way to make a tire carrier plus hold jerry cans for off-roading. So I'm thinking about doing that soon. Now I got the hard top to do. So that's about it for what's left on this 2-year plus project. I originally wanted the thing done in 6 months. Well, it's 2 years later. But things take time. I got these done yesterday. I installed them yesterday. Not the flag, but these are for soft top doors, which I have too. They're just the holders for the doors, but they make good flag holders since 4th of July parade last year. I used them, so I still use them now. So now they're flag holders. So that's installed. And I have these little brackets for the soft top rails that go across to make the framing. And those are just, I don't know what for, but they're there. That's installed. Door holders. And then what else? I'm trying to think what else I need to do. And the machine gun. There's no video on that at all until I'm all done probably. It just takes days and days to get done, and a lot of 3D printing. And now I'm doing some woodworking for it now. The main chunk of the machine gun, the receiver part you can say, that needs made out of wood since I can't 3D print it. Well, I can, but the printer has having issues. Plus it's like 120 plus hour print time. So I'm making out of wood longer, more scale, stronger too. Plus the plastic, if I use plastic in the sunlight, the sun will hit it and eventually melt the plastic machine gun and it won't look like a gun no more. So I'm actually okay with making out of wood. Barrel's PVC pipe, and all the extra detail is 3D printed. So that's that. I did buy a trailer, which I might make a new video. I already did.